But yes, y'all, so we're in November. I think this will be like my official last Coach unboxing of the year. Yes. Hey y'all, it's your girl Annitra here. We're Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and I am back with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Alright y'all, so I am here with a very impromptu video. I really didn't have any plans of making a video for this item. I've been kind of talking about, if you've been watching my vlogs lately, you know that I lost my makeup bag one day when I was at work, and I had not returned to work because I've been remote. I had not returned to the actual office for like almost a week. And I happened to go back to the area where I remembered losing the makeup bag, and it was still there. And here it is here. And also, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I've been talking about how it was time to let this bag go. Like, it was just like, girl, you said you wanted to replace your makeup bag, you lost it. Okay, if that wasn't a sign that it was time for something else, I don't know what else to tell you. And so this little number here was actually a Target dollar spot find that I found several years ago, y'all, and it shows. Like, she's held the test of time as far as, like, you know, the construction of the bag and like the zipper and everything like that. But clearly you can see that I've had her for several years by the wear on the outside, how like the little PVC has peeled off. And so I found the makeup bag, but I'm just like, you know what, I'm not keeping this. Like, I'm not going to be using this for makeup anymore. So like I said, I had been wanting a new makeup bag for a while. I took this as the opportunity to get a replacement finally. I was on the Coach outlet website, y'all, and all they had was the Dempsey, what is it, Lisa? This is one of the ones I have. All they had was like these, like the Dempsey boxy cosmetic cases, and then they also have like the little teeny like dome cosmetic case. I'm just like, I know for a fact my makeup won't fit in that. And then I just happened to hop on over to the Coach website, y'all, and I found exactly what I was looking for, y'all. I had no plans of making an unboxing video for this item. I was just gonna, you know, like show it in a vlog, until I started to open the box, y'all. The box is here. Until I started to open the box, y'all, and I was just so happy. This is the experience I've been waiting to have from Coach. As many bags as I've purchased from Coach and you know, over time that I've shown on my channel, this is the first time, y'all, I've had this experience, and I feel like I just wanted to share this experience on my channel. I wanted to show you guys how I planned on actually using this cosmetic case in addition to just like everyday use. But I just wanted y'all to experience this first time experience with me. So without further ado, let's just get right into our video, shall we? So like I said, there are plenty of girls out there who have done Coach unboxings, who've had this experience, y'all, but let me try to do this without showing my address. This is the first time I have gotten anything like this, y'all. Anything remotely close to this, y'all. A nice little thank you card. Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It has been made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known for since 1941. Y'all, this is the experience I've been waiting for from Coach for a long time. Look, y'all, it's wrapped. Y'all, look at this, y'all. This bow. Like I said, this is my first time having this experience, y'all. I was just like, it's so cheesy. So many people have had this experience, but this is literally my first time experiencing the quality of the packaging actually matching the, you know, quality of the item. And so, look at this, y'all. Padding, paper on top of this. What else is in the box? We have our receipt. Yo, if you've been keeping up with my channel, you've seen all of my unboxings. You know, I recently did an unboxing for a pillow tabby, for actually two pillow tabbies, two pillow tabby 26s that came like thrown in a plastic bag. And to have this item come wrapped like this makes me feel like I'm having a luxury experience. With the little gingerbread man, so adorable. So let's get right into our item, shall we? I'm savoring this moment, y'all. Just savor it along with me. So we're gonna open our little bow here. And our little bag. And look, y'all, it's wrapped inside of, yes, this is the experience I've been wanting for a long time. So adorable. Open her carefully. I feel like Christmas came earlier, like my birthday came early. All right, yes, this is the experience I've been wanting, y'all. All right, y'all, so here she is, our Julienne 17 cosmetic case. And oh, this is so pretty. So she will be a replacement for my old faithful makeup bag. And am I the only one who does the little notes to yourself when you order something? Enjoy, you deserve it, girl. Yes, you do, you deserve it. And so let's just put this to the side. And so we are going to put our love note and our receipt off to the side, and our thank you card off to the side. And let's dig into her. So she is this nice cross grain leather. We have our nice little understated C on the front. It's made of the brass hardware. Just going to take that off. We have a nice little black pulley for our zipper. Let's open her up. She is stuffed to perfection. All right, and so the interior is like an ox blood color with and we have our Coach story tag in the saddle color with the saddle. We have two slip pockets on the inside that also have the saddle color detail. And so yes, so the material on the inside feels like it's made of plastic. I will look that up to make sure that's true, but whatever material this is, it's definitely wipeable, which is perfect for a cosmetic case. We have our care card, and yes, and so we also have the gussets on the side, y'all, so your items are not like falling out of the bag. And so yeah, so this is perfect. All right, guys, so I am going to transfer my new makeup items into the bag. We are going to, give her a nice little send-off. So I'm going to find something else to use her for. But we're going to transfer all of the replacements for the makeup that's in this bag into this bag, and I'm going to show you guys, not only will I be using her as a makeup bag, but I'll also be using her for something else. So let me grab everything. Stay tuned. The last time, let me see. So when I'm not going to work, I just tend to take out like the minimal things needed, minimal makeup items needed throughout the day. But the last time I went to work, I used this my Dempsey Tote 40 and the matching boxy case. So I still have makeup in here. So we're going to take these items out, and let's see here. So we have our powder foundation. It's going in the powder brush. We have our lip liner and our lip color. We also have our eyeliner. We're going to take that out of the box and put her in the bag. We have another lip liner. We have today's lippy, and we have our sample Max Stack mascara, which I have given a second try, and it's actually not that bad, y'all, but different topic for a different video. And so for the most part, we have all of our makeup. Fits perfectly. We're able to close her with no problems. So I have officially replaced Old Faithful, and as you can see, there's definitely a difference in size, but that's okay. So the makeup has officially been transferred into the cosmetic case. So let me show you guys the other way that I plan on using this cosmetic case. Stay tuned. Okay guys, and so as you can see, I have my Lamb Gallery clear purse here. And so, you know, when you're carrying a clear purse, you like the idea of the purse being clear, but you don't like the idea of all of your items being on display. And so that's the other reason why I purchased this cosmetic bag, because I was just like, got a little dime left in here from the last time I carried her. Let's see if she works in this bag. And so she fits, and it's not necessarily a perfect fit because the cosmetic case is a dome shape, but it works. I am able to close it with the cosmetic case on the inside. And so we have our Julienne 17 cosmetic case. We have our Coach card case here. I'm going to put to the side. We have our matching. These are all in the black cross grain leather. We also have our black Coach key holder. We're going to place that inside of the purse as well. And so this is exactly what I had in mind, y'all, when I purchased this bag. I know a lot of times people like to display like luxury small leather goods in their purses, but I feel like the quality of these Coach items is just as luxurious as me having another luxury brand on display in the purse. And so here we have it. This is exactly what I had in mind, y'all, when I purchased this bag. So I am super excited that my new cosmetic case has multiple uses. I need to find her in like a chalk color or like an ivory or a chalk color, because if you've been keeping up with my channel, you know I have a thing of buying two of everything I love. And so I have this, I did an unboxing for this bag on the channel, and I did an actual unboxing video for this bag on my channel. However, the white version of this bag, I did a reveal and a vlog. So Now I have to try to find this Julienne 17 cosmetic case in a chalk or an ivory color to match the white version of this bag. And that concludes today's video. Would you add the Julienne 17 to your SLG collection? Do you own the Julienne 17 cosmetic case? Let me know in what color, and let me know what your experience has been like in the comments below. You guys, it is holiday season, so this more than likely will be my last Coach video for the year. However, again, we have surpassed 500 subbies and we are slowly chugging our way to 1K. It is the holiday season. Tis the season to say thank you. I will be releasing a giveaway announcement very soon. I definitely don't want you to miss out. Make sure you click that like button, click the subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for the giveaway announcement, in addition to all things faith and fashion on this channel. And if you know another bag-loving girl who would enjoy this video or any of the other videos in my channel, don't be stingy, y'all. Don't be a gatekeeper. Make sure she clicks that like button, clicks the subscribe button, clicks that notification bell so she too can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on this channel. Y'all, again, my name is Annitra. We're Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and you have a great day.